The DJI Neo 3 is quickly becoming one of the most talked about compact drones expected to launch in 2026, and based on the steady stream of leaks, it looks like DJI is preparing something far more ambitious than a simple refresh. Instead of staying in the lane of ultra-basic selfie drones, the DJI Neo 3 appears to be evolving into a more capable, creator-focused tool that blends portability with serious imaging performance. This shift is important, because the expectations of users have changed. People no longer want just a fun flying gadget, they want a compact drone that can deliver high-quality visuals while remaining simple enough to use every day. A major highlight of the DJI Neo 3 is expected to be its upgraded camera system. Multiple reports suggest that DJI is planning to introduce a larger 1.3-inch camo sensor, which would represent a significant step up for the Neo lineup. A sensor of this size can capture more light, resulting in sharper images, better dynamic range, and noticeably improved low-light performance. In practical terms, this means the DJI Neo 3 could handle challenging lighting conditions much better than its predecessors, producing cleaner footage whether you're shooting during golden hour, at night, or indoors. Video performance is also expected to see a meaningful boost. Leaks indicate that the DJI Neo 3 could support 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. This would allow users to capture ultra-smooth footage and create high-quality slow-motion clips without sacrificing resolution. For content creators, especially those working on short-form platforms, this kind of flexibility is a huge advantage. Combined with DJI's proven stabilization technology, the DJI Neo 3 could deliver footage that feels polished and cinematic straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy editing. Beyond resolution and frame rates, there are also hints that DJI may improve color processing and introduce more advanced profiles. Some rumors mention the possibility of a D-Log style color mode, which would give users greater control in post-production. While the drone is still expected to target beginners, this kind of feature would appeal to more experienced creators who want to fine-tune their footage. It suggests that DJI is trying to make the DJI Neo 3 versatile enough to satisfy both casual users and those with more advanced needs. Battery life is another area where the DJI Neo 3 is expected to make a noticeable improvement. One of the biggest drawbacks of small drones has always been limited flight time, but DJI seems to be addressing this with a more efficient power system. Current estimates suggest that the DJI Neo 3 could achieve between 25 and 28 minutes of flight time, which would be impressive for a drone of its size. This would allow users to spend more time capturing content and less time swapping batteries, making the overall experience more enjoyable and productive. Flight performance and stability are also getting attention in the rumored upgrades. The DJI Neo 3 is expected to offer better wind resistance and more stable hovering, which are essential for capturing smooth and usable footage. A new open grille propeller guard design has been mentioned in several leaks, and this could improve airflow and reduce heat buildup during operation. It may also help reduce noise levels, making the drone quieter in flight. These refinements point to a more refined and comfortable flying experience overall. Portability remains a defining characteristic of the Neo series, and the DJI Neo 3 is likely to continue this trend. Reports indicate that it will stay under the 250-gram weight limit, which is important for regulatory reasons in many regions. Keeping the drone lightweight ensures that it remains easy to carry and accessible to a wide audience. There are also suggestions that DJI may slightly refine the body design, making it more compact or better balanced, which would enhance its usability as a true grab-and-go device. Ease of use is another area where the DJI Neo 3 is expected to excel. The Neo lineup has always focused on simplicity, and this model is likely to build on that with improved automation and smarter AI features. Enhanced subject tracking is one of the key rumored upgrades, allowing the drone to follow people or objects more accurately and smoothly. This is especially useful for solo creators who need a hands-free filming solution. With better tracking and positioning, capturing dynamic shots could become almost effortless, even for beginners. Safety features are also expected to improve. While earlier Neo models kept things relatively simple, the DJI Neo 3 could introduce more advanced obstacle detection capabilities. Some leaks suggest tri-directional sensing, which would allow the drone to detect obstacles from multiple directions. This would make flying in tight or complex environments safer and more forgiving, especially for new users. Combined with improved flight algorithms, these features could significantly reduce the chances of crashes. Connectivity is another area where upgrades are likely. The DJI Neo 3 is rumored to feature an improved transmission system, possibly based on DJI's O4 or O4 Plus technology. This would provide a stronger and more stable connection between the drone and its controller or smartphone, along with higher quality video transmission. A clearer live feed makes it easier to frame shots accurately and enhances the overall user experience. It also reduces the risk of signal loss, which can be a common frustration with smaller drones. On the software side, DJI is expected to refine the overall user experience even further. The companion app could become more intuitive and responsive, making it easier to control the drone, adjust settings, and edit footage. There may also be improvements in how quickly users can share their content, with better integration for social media platforms. Additionally, there is some speculation about compatibility with accessories or batteries from previous Neo models, which would be a practical benefit for existing users. In real-world use, the DJI Neo 3 appears to be designed for modern creators who value speed, simplicity, and quality. Whether it's capturing travel footage, creating vlogs, or producing short-form videos, the drone is expected to make the process as easy as possible. Users can launch it quickly, record smooth and stable footage, and share it almost instantly. This kind of convenience is especially important in today's fast-paced content environment. In the end, the DJI Neo 3 is shaping up to be more than just a small upgrade. It reflects a broader shift in what users expect from compact drones. By combining better imaging, longer flight times, smarter automation, and a refined design, DJI could once again set a new standard for ultra-portable aerial cameras.